Welcome back to this series on electric uke playing. This video is about Let It Roll by Little Feat, classic southern rock party song about fast cars, and lyrics that are in no way or shape a double entendre about sex. There is some octaving again, but I'm starting to use much less. As I've mentioned before, an octave pedal tends to make chords sound over-distorted. You could maybe carefully add some initial volume limiting to prevent that, but often you need all 5 slots in a zoom patch. So we're going to err on the side of clean. We want a classic rock sound with some country twang, so we'll put the uke's pickup position low and add some overdrive to give some bottom depth. No distortion pedal at all. The song begins with a quick D and E. Then we have 2 riffs. The first one is longer. The second one is a shortened version of that. I should be playing that first note an octave lower, but we don't have it. We'll live with it. Tune your uke and let's play.